So now let's see how we can paint a long path inside of GIMP. So over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a path. So I'm just going to go around and grab a path tool right here. And let me just go around and make a path right here, just like this. So you can go around and make a path any way you like right here. And let's say what you want to do is you want to go around and paint along this path with a paintbrush. In that case, what you can do is you can simply go around over here. So this is it, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to press enter and I'm going to right click over here on this particular path. And over here you can see that stroke path is an option. If I were to go around onto stroke path, then I can simply go around and stroke a line, as you can see. If I were to go to stroke, then you can see that this is what you have. You simply have a stroke across the line right here. Well, let me just press Ctrl Z right here, and then I'm going to go to look at other option. Let me just go to stroke path right here. You can also add in a pattern over here, just like this. So over here you can go around and then choose the cap style right here, change the line width. So let me just go around and keep this around 20 pixels right here and choose this cap style and the joint style as well. So just like this, you have this, and then I'm going to go for meter length, and you can go around and add in a gap, as you can see, just like this, and then go around and stroke. Once you do that, you can see that this is the stroke that you have right here. So you got like a pattern stroke right here, just like this. Let me just press Ctrl Z and go around on to stroke path right here. So once I go around onto line style, you can see that I can go for dash patterns right here, or I can go around and select out another a preset as well. And then if I were to go around and stroke, then that is what you have right here. Let me just go around over here onto stroke path right here, and you can also stroke a path by paintbrush. So you can just go around and then select out other tools as well, as you can see. Let me just go around onto paintbrush and emulate the brush dynamics as well. So now I'm going to go to paintbrush right here and choose a different type of paintbrush right here, as you can see. So there's a paintbrush over here. So if I were to go around and select this paintbrush, change around the size, and then if I were to go around onto stroke, then you can see that it strokes it out with this paintbrush along the path. But let me just press Ctrl Z right here and go to stroke path over here. And over here on the left hand side, let me just go around and select out the star right here. Select out the size right here and change around the spacing as well. Click on stroke, and then you got the star stroke, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can paint a long path inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.